the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The Dakinis and avowed ones will join together in the land of the charnel ground of burning corpses. The wild animals will congregate, and it will seem that we are delivered to them. Our Vajra Guru may be a blind man. This is surely so, but we go to his place. We depend on him to see our path. This need not be mentioned, it is beyond our understanding. Those with awareness will use preliminary practices to cleanse themselves. The finest children, whose virtues are complete, are to be granted empowerment and granted the experience of blessings. Then they will be like the light of 1,000 suns. Once they achieve the abode of empowerment in all things, they enter the self-luminous light of wisdom. Once they savor the taste of hundreds of happinesses, by this alone they will become perfect Buddhas. In the yoga of living without searching, our awareness is engaged in the transmission and is evident as an uncontrived, clear light. Through applications that equal the end of the sky, immeasurable wonders are perfected in our hearts. So it is that after we have pleased our Guru, he opens the doors of his breast of precious jewels and uses whatever methods are available to use his countenance to show the jewels and explain to us the measure of our warmth. He uses the mirror of transmitted methods to make these things evident to the faces and senses of his disciples, even though the blazing jewels of true luminosity are not to be symbolized or designated. Through the samadhi of the clear light of the circle, we abide as one, where differences are not clear. We use the self-luminous wisdom that does not abide to study the Upadesha that are like a waterfall. For those in the fierce space that is not to be dwelt within, we offer the Upadesha for praising elephants. They must not remain there, but move on, so we must give them an elephant's belly. For people who do not grasp or who are decreasing their grasping, we give the Upadesha on awareness that has form. For those who hold on to a permanence in their methods and wisdom, we give the Upadesha of kissing and bones. For the unfortunate whose senses are poor, we give the Upadesha on comprehensive instructions. For people who are external, internal and secret, we give the Upadesha on calculations, apprehensions, investigation, and the common winds.